Hello friends, today we talk about the top 3 vitamin to repair painful joint naturally. Do your knee hurt while climbing step? Do you feel stiffness in your back or hip early in the morning? You are not alone. Joint pain affects millions. But what if I told you that some simple vegetarian vitamins can actually repair your joint naturally without any painkillers? In this video, we all reveal the top 3 vitamins that really work to heal joint pain and the best veg food source you can include starting today. First on our list is vitamin D, also known as the sunshine vitamin. It's play a key role in absorbing calcium and keeping bones and joints strong. But here the problem. Many vegetarians are deficient in vitamin E due to less sunlight exposure. What is the sign of deficiency? Vitamin D, joint pain, fatigue, and weak bones. And vegetarian source of vitamin D are morning sunlight, 50 to 20 minutes daily, fortified plant-based milk like soya or almond milk, fortified orange juice, mushroom exposed to sunlight. Supplementation with vitamin D is also a safe option if level are very low. Next is vitamin C, the hero behind the collagen production, which keeps your joint cushioned and mobile. Vitamin C also fight inflammation and support the joint repair. It's a powerful antioxidant that your body needs daily. Vegetarian source of vitamin C are amla, Indian gooseberry, one of the richest natural source. Orange and lemons, guan, red and yellow bell pepper, broccoli and cabbage, kiwi fruit. A simple morning juice of amla with lemon can do wonderful your joints. The next is vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that help reduce joint stiffness and swelling, especially in people suffering from osteoarthritis. It protects your joint from oxidative stress and supports smoother joint function. The source of vitamin E are almonds. The soaked overnight almond is the best vitamin E source. Sunflower seeds, spinach, avocado, pumpkin seeds, and wheat germ oil in small quantity. Just a handful of nuts and seeds can improve joint health over time. Let's quickly recap the top 3 joint healing vitamin for vegetarian. Vitamin D from sunlight and fortified food, vitamin C from citrus fruit and vegetable, and vitamin E from nuts, seeds and grains. Some bonus tips are: add a pinch of turmeric and black pepper in warm water daily. This combo reduces inflammation and improve absorption of vitamin naturally. Pain-through movement is possible even without medication if you give the body the right nutrient. These 3 vitamins are naturally vegetarian and effective. Start making small changes today because healthy joint means a happier, more active life. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more natural health tips. Take care of your joints. They take care of you. Thank you.